Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to give you a comprehensive overview of how to use this outline tab in Microsoft Word. First, head over to the View tab and click on Outline. In the Outline tools, you can see we are currently in the level 1. Let me write a few headings. I'm going to write Introduction, Enter and Methodology, Results and Discussion, Conclusion, Future Prospects. Now currently we are in level 1. Each of these level shows the corresponding heading level in Microsoft Word. Now each of the text here in this level 1 corresponds to headings in Microsoft Word. For example, I'm going to close it from here, and here you can see these headings. So as soon as we have closed the outline view, you can see all these text simply converted into heading 1. Let me get back to outline view again. Let me keep my cursor over here and press enter, and over here I'm gonna write research gap. Now again it is level 1. If you want to convert it to level 2, simply come over here and click on this forward arrow, or you can alternatively use Alt, Shift and right. Let me click over here, and there you can see now it has gone down to level 2. Let me press enter again, and this time I'm going to insert some text over here as a body text. So simply go down to body text, and here let me write is equal random text. I'm going to insert some random text like this. So this is going to be your body text. So introduction is our level 1. Now if you click over here in the text, it shows body text. Click on research gap, it shows level 2, and introduction shows level 1. Now let me click on this minus sign to collapse it back to level 1 like this. Again, if you want to expand, simply click on plus sign and it would be expanded. Similarly, these signs are for moving the text up or down. For example, I want conclusion to be put at the bottom. So what I would do, I would simply click over here and then click on this move down, and there you go. Now conclusion is at the bottom. And if you want to move it up, simply click over here and it would be moved up. Let me expand the introduction section. For example, you want to move this entire introduction, research gap and this body text to somewhere in the document, then you can bring your cursor right over here till it converts to 4-headed arrow, then hold and drag it down like this and move it wherever you want to move it. Let me leave it over here, and there you go. Now it's at the bottom now. Anyway, I don't want it to be here, so I would move it up to its previous position. Over here you can see we have this show text formatting. If you uncheck it, it would show the text without any formatting. Click, it would show the formatting style. In the show first line only, you can see we have just one line being shown right now. If you uncheck it, it would show the entire text like this. Let me click on show first line only, simply check it and collapse it like this. In the levels, you can see we can go up to level 9. Let me show you this in results and discussion. I'm going to click over here and I'm going to write result 1, result 2, result 3, result 4, and let me place my cursor over here. Now if I'm going to click over here, it would demote the text to a lower level. Click, and there you can see it is now in level 2. Again, I'm going to click over here and I'm moving it to level 3 like this. Keep your cursor in result 3, again click, and let me move it down again. In result 4, let me change it to body text. I'm gonna say body text, and you can simply click over here to demote it to body text. Although you can use this particular option as well, but this one does the work in just a single go, and there you go. Once you have formatted all your document like this, then you can simply close outline view from here, and there you go. Now you are into your regular document. This is your heading 1, again heading 1, heading 1. If you click on result, if you click on result, again it is heading 1 but different formatting style, and same is true for result 2 and result 3. So in this way you can easily format your document in Microsoft Excel using the outline view. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.